Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining must-have prerequisites with the first actionable steps. Install your toolkit and place API keys securely. This prevents roadblocks later. Once done, pick a framework. React speeds UI iteration, Vue simplifies reactivity, plain JavaScript minimizes dependencies. Make a project folder, run npm init, and commit an initial Git snapshot so you have a rollback point. These moves get you coding immediately and keep your work reproducible, which matters when you iterate on widget behavior. You continue by implementing the core functionality and why each part matters. Define the widget API first so consumers know inputs and events. This reduces refactors. Then build state management and a reliable render loop so UI updates stay consistent. Fetch real data with error handling and keep responses cached to improve responsiveness. Apply styles and area attributes to make the widget usable. Write a few unit tests to lock behavior. These detailed middle steps ensure a solid, maintainable component. You finish by finalizing, packaging, and preparing distribution while explaining the how and why. Optimize bundle size and enable lazy loading so the widget loads fast. Minify assets to save bandwidth. Deploy to a CDN, tag releases, and publish clear version notes so integrators can upgrade smoothly. Make a quick smoke test in target environments. If something breaks, first check the console and network requests, then clear cached assets. This sequence usually reveals the issue and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.